Hi, this video is going to be on the Coleman 2.5 watt solar battery maintainer. The quick difference between a battery maintainer and a battery charger is that a battery charger continuously charges your battery whether it needs it or not, eventually killing your battery by overcharging it. A solar maintainer or a battery maintainer of any kind will maintain your battery. So in a cold winter it will keep it warm or awake, and during storage it also keeps it active as well so that it doesn't go dormant. So the advantage of a battery maintainer is not to charge your battery per se, it's just to keep it topped up or to keep it awake, whatever you want to say that way. These come with several different connections. You can connect it to your battery directly with clips that it comes with, or you can connect it to your cigarette lighter, or as I'm using, because my bike actually has a plug-in, I'm actually doing a direct connect to that. That way I don't have to lift my seat to get access to my battery all the time. So something to keep in mind is that you have to disconnect this before you go ahead and start your bike or you start whatever you're using. So I'm going to go ahead and disconnect that. And now that it's disconnected, I can go ahead and start my bike. These bikes are great, however very, very difficult, like most vehicles, on a cold day to start. So this has been outside now overnight, and it's -11. I believe it got down to -16 last night. Then it's degrees Celsius because I am in Canada. So if I was to start this without having the maintainer on it, it would be a very hard start. It almost takes a half a minute or more to kick it over if I'm doing a cold start. So let's go ahead and start this. This, like I say, has not been started yet today, and it has been probably about 45 minutes to an hour of sun so far today. And it's the dawn sun, it is not your brightest sun. So again, it's a 2.5 watt. However, that is a direct sun on the optimum conditions. It is going to be a lot less than that normally. So it's not, I would say it's probably only about 1 watt or less that it's getting right now. Again, this bike has not been started, so let's go ahead and try starting it and see how easy it starts since it's been on the battery maintainer. And there you go. So the bike has started. I'm going to leave it run because I want to go for a little run here this morning. So the battery maintainer has done its job. It's maintained it. It's kept it warm over the night. Well, not during the night, of course, because it's solar, but it's warmed it up this morning to the point that I could start my bike. So there's been a lot of mixed reviews on this item. And I'm not dishing anybody that has had really bad experiences with them. I personally have never had a problem with them. I've used it for quite a few different vehicles, and I've always had great success with them, and my batteries tend to last me quite a long time. I'm not at the cottage all the time, so even in the summer I can keep them connected. The great thing about these is they don't need full sun. You were not trying to charge a battery with this. If you were trying to charge a battery, you're going to take days because it's a very low charge coming off of them. And again, I don't believe that it will charge a dead battery. So it's there to maintain a battery. It's made to take low sun. So even on a very low sun day or an overcast day, it will still put out some charge. So again, a great product. I personally like them a lot. I've used it for quite a few years now. I think they're well worth the money. I mean, Canadian Tire oftentimes have them on sale for 20 bucks. I think Costco sells a 2-pack. You know, they never sell just one. So anyways, the thing, like I say, is keep in mind it is not a charger, it is a maintainer. If you're buying it as a charger, you're going to be disappointed. But if you're buying it as a battery maintainer, I really don't think you're going to be disappointed. I hope this video was helpful. If there's any questions, I do reply. I don't reply always right away, but I will answer any questions. Have a wonderful day.